This channel, Movie Recaps, has crossed 2 million subscribers, and according to Social Blade, they are making anywhere between $1,700 to $26,000 every single month just by making movie explanation videos, and every single one of their videos is pulling hundreds of thousands and even millions of views. Another channel, Filmaya, with 600,000 subscribers and only 71 videos, is hitting millions of views every single time, easily making them more than $10,000 every single month. But here's the problem: the 2026 YouTube algorithm has made all the old methods completely fail, and if you make those same old mistakes, monetization is completely out of the question. A lot of gurus out there are teaching how to make movie explanation videos, but they are themselves afraid to show even a small movie clip in their own videos because of copyright fear, and yet they are out here teaching others how to safely make a 10 to 15 minute movie explain video. What a joke. If you understand the right way to make movie explain videos in 2026, nothing can stop you from growing, avoiding copyright issues, and successfully monetizing your channel. Now, you might be thinking, who am I to teach you this? Well, I am someone who made a video on this exact niche 2 years ago that was loved and watched by hundreds of thousands of people, and many of them have shared their success stories in my Discord community, so I know exactly what I am talking about. Through my experience on this platform, I have learned that surviving here requires smart work, not just hard work. If you want to master this niche, the next 10 to 15 minutes will change everything for you. The most important thing you need to understand is that you should never make movie explanation videos on newly released and popular movies, because they have the highest chance of sending immediate copyright claims or strikes to your channel. Your best way is to go with action, adventure, and mostly thriller type of movies from 2000 to 2015 or maybe up to 2020, and always go with lesser known movies because not many people have watched them, and that is a high level advantage for you. For finding top level movies, I will show you two best methods. First of all, simply search IMDB on Google and then head to this website. You will find every single movie with its ratings and release date. For custom search, go to all and then select the advanced search option. Once you are here, you can select whether you want to go with movies, TV shows, short movies, series, or even TV serials. We are making movie explanation videos, so we will go with movies. Below you will see genre, which is very important. Now you can upload videos in mixed genres, or you can pick a specific genre, which is a type of micro niching. Nobody will tell you this, but picking a specific genre is highly rewarding, and you will see super fast growth because you are reaching an audience of the same interest over and over again. So their chances of becoming your loyal subscribers and watching your every video are extremely higher. So I am going to select adventure and thriller because they are just my type. Now, a little below, you will see a title named release date. From the first column, you need to input a starting date. For example, I want movies from January 2000 all the way to December 2014. After you have applied all the important settings, simply click on See Results and you will get a list of all the available movies in your specific genre in the selected timeline. With every passing month, amazing titles and high-level but lesser-known movies keep adding, and with time you can literally blow up your channel very easily. In the second method, head to Google and enable AI mode. In AI mode, you need to tell AI your specific genre and movies from a particular timeline, just as we did in IMDb, and in the end, you need to write that only provide me with full-length, uncut movies that are very easily available on YouTube to watch. This way you will get a list of all the available movies on YouTube. This is beneficial because using this method, you can very easily download that entire movie from YouTube and make a movie explanation on it. This method not only gives you the best movies, but also allows you to effortlessly get them from YouTube because a lot of movies are easily available there and you do not have to rush to third-party apps, which rarely have full movies, and just waste your time. In case you want a particular movie and it is not available on YouTube, you can easily use the power of the internet to find it. Now you understand how you can find movies and download them as well. Now comes the most important part, where we will learn how you can actually write a script, because this is the most difficult part and most people mess up here. Today, the method I will show you is going to be extremely easy and you will not find it anywhere on YouTube, and I will show you not one but two methods. But first thing, always remember that no matter what, you have to watch the full movie. If you really want to make addictive videos, you need to know the complete story of the movie movie. You have to make one video a week, so starting day one by watching the movie, watching it twice if needed, and then spending the next 6 days, making your video is going to be absolutely fun and easy. And honestly, it is not a big deal. Just tell me how many times have you watched a movie and explained it to a friend in such an amazing way that they also got very excited to watch it. I have done this countless times, and that is exactly what your thinking should be. You have to explain the movie just like you are telling it to a friend, and that is exactly how people watch it and how your video gets views. So first watch the movie, and once done with the first method, you just need to write your own script. It is completely fine if you write it in broken words. That is absolutely fine. What you need to do is break the entire movie into 5 to 6 parts. For example, if a movie is 2 hours long, break it into 6 parts of 20 minutes each. Now you need to explain each part in roughly 2 to 3 minutes. An average paragraph of 20 to 25 lines is roughly equal to 3 minutes, and you can even write your paragraph and provide it to any AI and ask it to check the character count. 3,000 characters are mostly 2 to 3 minutes of video. For example, I have this scene from the movie 47 Meters Down. If I have to make an explanation on it, I will do it like this. Two sisters, Lisa and Kate, go on a vacation to Mexico. To enjoy their holidays, they decide to go deep into the ocean inside a heavy metal cage to see the underwater sea life. There is a 3-man crew on the boat who helps them set up this cage adventure. As the sisters go down into the water, they are absolutely amazed by the beautiful view of the ocean. Suddenly, one of the sisters takes out her phone to capture a picture, but in excitement, her phone slips from her hand and falls deep into the water. In a split second, a massive great white shark appears from the dark and swallows the phone. See how easy that was? And I did it easily because I had watched the movie. Following the same method, you need to write your script, and your estimated video length can be 15 to 18 minutes, and if you tighten it a little more, it will be in the sweet spot of 12 to 15 minutes, which is the ideal length for movie explanation, long-form videos. After you write your script, you can give it to AI and ask it to refine it and fix any grammar, spelling, and technical errors, and your final professional script will be ready. That was method 1. Now let me show you an easy automation method. For this method, you first need the original script of the movie so that you can convert it into an advanced movie explanation script. For getting the original script, you can use sites like IMDB, ScriptSlug, and the editing room. I am using ScriptSlug right now. On the homepage, you will see a lot of movies listed, and you can easily select your movie from here as well. If you like a particular movie, simply click on it, and then you will see a read option. Click on it, and the entire written script of the movie will be available in front of you. You can either drag to copy the entire script or just download the entire PDF from the download icon. In case you cannot find your movie on this website, you can use other websites like IMDB and the editing room. If you visit the editing room, this is the home page where you will land, and if you scroll a little bit down, you will see an option to select a specific genre, just like in IMDB. If you select a genre, an entirely new page will open where you can find every single available movie. You can click on any movie from here and you will have the complete script available. This is another way to find movies and get scripts as well. You can drag your mouse to copy the full script. If you want to search for a specific movie, head to Archives, and on top you will see a search bar where you need to type the name of your movie. Make sure to type it correctly, and when you hit search, you will see links below. Simply head to the first one, and just like before, the entire script of the movie will be available for you to copy and paste into any notepad, and your job here is done. Next, you need to turn this script into a high-class 15 to 20-minute explainer video, and for that we will use Claude AI. To write a perfect script, you will need this master prompt, which I have very carefully prepared for you, and you can easily get it by visiting my Discord server from the link in the description of this video, and then navigating to the prompts section where you will find this movie explanation master prompt completely for free. Once you provide this prompt to Claude, you will see 3 different empty placeholders. In the first placeholder, you need to write the name of the movie on which you are making your explainer video. In the second placeholder, you need to copy and paste the original movie script that you got from ScriptSlug or the editing room, and in the last placeholder, you have full freedom to enter the language in which you want to make your explainer video, whether English, Urdu, Hindi, Arabic, or any other language. Just write the language name and hit generate, and Claude will perfectly analyze the original script and write you a fully professional script within a 15 to 20 minute timeline. The script will be highly engaging, and Claude is not going to write anything out of the box, so you will not have any issue matching clips later during editing. There are also a few things you need to do during editing to avoid any copyright issues, which I will explain in detail. So now you have your entire script, and since you must have watched the movie to understand the story and characters, you can then read the script that Claude provided and rewrite and replace a few lines in your own words for perfectly human pacing. Guys, making this video took serious efforts, so please make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you think I deserve it. Since we have the script, it is now time to generate a highly realistic voiceover, and we will be using ElevenLabs for that. ElevenLabs has a free plan, so we will use it without paying anything, and I will also tell you how to safely use ElevenLabs voices for free. Once you are on the homepage, make sure to first visit Voices from the sidebar, and here you will see a lot of filters that help you find your preferred voice. First, make sure to select social media, and after that, click on filters and select the gender as male or female as per your choice, and select age as middle-aged, and keep the rest of the settings untouched. From the side, you can also select the language of the voiceover character, which is very beneficial because selecting the language gives you the unique accent of how people in that particular language speak, and now you have the entire list of all the available voices of your choice. Take some time here and choose a perfect voice. Make sure to select a voice only once, because I have seen people changing voices after every few videos, and that can affect your connection and trust with your audience, so stick to a single voice. After you find your voice, simply click on the plus icon next to it, and in a few seconds, this voice will be added to your My Voices list. After that, head to text to speech and copy and paste your script in here. If you cannot generate the full voice because of the character limit, create half the voiceover here and the other half in another free account. From the side, make sure to select the character you just added to My Voices, and make sure to keep the model as 11v3. Now, this is the most powerful feature of 11v3. If you click on the enhance option, AI will read your entire script and analyze what particular emotions it should add at specific sections, and when you hit generate, the output voiceover is going to be highly human, like with natural throat clearing, angry or curious or sad tones, and many other natural pauses and breathing patterns. Once you have the voiceover, simply download it. To safely use ElevenLabs voices on the free plan, just make sure to credit ElevenLabs in every video description by typing voiceover by ElevenLabs and then pasting the link to ElevenLabs next to it. Since your channel will not be monetized yet, you are not actually making any money from it. So until you get monetized, you can use the free plan, but once you do get monetized, make sure to go with their paid plan at all costs. And guys, this was not a paid promotion for ElevenLabs. Guys, first of all, congratulations for sticking with me till this point. You really are a serious and hardworking person who can genuinely do this. You have your movie, you have your voiceover. Now you need to put everything together in CapCut or any other editing software and cook your final video. Make sure to pay close attention to avoid any copyright issues later on. First, as always, place your voiceover on the timeline and polish it by removing the awkward silent areas. Once done, make sure to select the format as 16:9 and listen to the first 20 seconds of the voiceover to understand what is actually happening. Since you watched the movie, it will be very easy, trust me. Now, I will tell you a few tricks that will help you get deep into the fair use safe zone. First of all, since you have watched the movie and your script is also to the point, you just need to listen to the voiceover and accurately place your clips. One most important thing you must keep in mind is that, for example, if you have a 15-second segment from the movie that you need, instead of using it as a whole 15 seconds, what you must do is take the important parts out of it, each less than 5 seconds, and trim out the rest. This way, you will be able to break the pattern of not using a clip more than 5 seconds in a go. Another very powerful trick is to, at some points in your video, split a scene as an image. To take a scene from your clip, come to the specific shot you want to convert into a still image, then click on the clip and go to edit, and then click on freeze. freeze, and that particular scene will be turned into an image. You can increase and decrease the length of the image, and at some points in your video where visuals are not very important, you can use images instead because images are not detected as copyright. To add more human effort and depth to your video, always make sure to use arrows and circles to highlight characters, objects, and other important elements. For example, in the scene where the phone slips into the ocean, I am using an image instead of the clip. And when the voiceover talks about the phone slipping into the water, I will use a circle highlight along with an arrow to highlight the scene. This will not only make you even safer from copyright issues, but by using stickers and elements on still images, they do not even feel like stills. At another point where the cage wire slips and the girl panics, I will use a 2 to 3 second clip of the wire slipping, and then when the girl gets scared, I will use an image of her reaction instead of a clip. This is exactly how you can play it very safe while making a highly addictive movie explanation video, and this is definitely the best method of making movie explanation videos. Following the same method, you can fill your entire voiceover with footage, and after that you can add transitions between clips, which adds more human effort, and YouTube itself states that if copyrighted content has more human value added to it than the copyrighted content itself, then it may fall into the fair use policy, which can be monetized safely on YouTube in 2026. Along with transitions, you can also experiment with different effects to improve the overall visual quality of the video. Go to filters and search for a filter named Clear 2. Drag and drop it on the timeline and stretch it across the entire timeline, and make sure to turn its value to 60 for best possible results. Then search for another filter named 8K. Drag and drop it on the timeline and stretch it across the entire timeline as well, and keep its value around 70 for optimal results. After that, make sure to add captions, because captions are proven by studies to increase audience retention by 40% compared to videos without captions. Make sure to pick a good font and a long format template that suits your video best. You can also play with the color to modify the template instead of using it as it is, and place the captions at a suitable position on the screen. Now, I will tell you something that you will thank me for later. Always make sure to add a watermark of your channel name on every single video, and I will tell you exactly why. First, go to text and drag and drop the default text on the timeline, then stretch it across the entire video. After that, write down your channel name in the text box, and make sure to select a big bold font, not a regular one, a highly bold one. Once done, make sure to change its color to yellow only, none other, only yellow. After that, scroll down and turn on the stroke and change the color of the stroke to white and keep its thickness around 40. Then right-click on the text and click on Create Compound Clip, and now your text is converted into a clip. Now go to Remove BG and then select Chroma Key and drop it on the yellow color inside the text, and increase the strength until the yellow is fully gone. After that, place the watermark either below the center of the screen or on the left or right corners. This watermark will help you keep your content safe, because since you are using movie clips that do not belong to you, if someone takes your video and uploads it on their own channel with just a dubbing, you will not be able to take it down unless you have your channel watermark on it. And that is it. Our video is ready. Let's watch it.
Two sisters, Lisa and Kate, go on a vacation to Mexico. To enjoy their holidays, they decide to go deep into the ocean inside a heavy metal cage to see the underwater sea life. There is a 3-man crew on the boat who helps them set up this cage adventure. As the sisters go down into the water, they are absolutely amazed by the beautiful view of the ocean. Suddenly, one of the sisters takes out her phone to capture a picture, but in excitement, her phone slips from her hand and falls deep into the water. In a split second, a massive great white shark appears from the dark and swallows the phone. Now, the terrifying shark starts circling around their metal cage. The sisters panic, but the real nightmare begins when the cage suddenly slips and shakes violently. Both sisters scream in pure terror. Completely shaken by fear, one of the sisters loses her mind and desperately demands the crew to pull her back up to the boat immediately.